Hello viewers, today Arduino board is nano mini board, very cheap IC chip 80 mega 328P microcontroller chip or Arduino Nano input terminal, analog terminal 6 or digital terminal 14 or digital PWM pin 6 or input voltage means power supply 7 to 12 volt or operating input voltage 6 to 20 volt or flash memory 32 kilobyte or CPU speed 16 megahertz. Arduino Nano chip microcontroller or Arduino Mini microcontroller chip 80 mega 328P, same microcontroller or a port supply 3.25 volt power supply or analog pin 8 pin or digital pin 14 or digital PWM 6 pin or flash memory 32 kilobyte, input operating voltage 5 to 12 volt or CPU speed 8 megahertz 3.3 volt or 16 megahertz to 5 volt using Arduino Mini Pro microcontroller chip. Arduino Uno is very popular microcontroller chip in using Arduino or processor using microcontroller 80 mega 328P microcontroller processor or CPU speed 16 megahertz or analog pin 6 pin or digital pin 0 to 30 means 40 digital pin or PWM pin 6 or flash memory 32 kilobyte or input operating voltage 7 to 12 volt or input digital pin or analog pin input signal 6 to 20 volt operating or flash memory 32 kilobyte. Arduino Uno microcontroller or ESP32 microcontroller chip is Bluetooth, Wi-Fi built-in or RF signal built-in or digital pin 34 pin or digital pin use or analog pin use same any pin using or CPU speed 116 megahertz very high speed. Arduino Nano Uno or Mini to very speed or flash memory is 16 megabyte or operating system operating voltage 3.3 to 5 volt or microcontroller chip dual core, very simple microcontroller. Next video, how to the program to computer the microcontroller program upload. Arduino Nano Uno Mini or ESP32. Thank you.